How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So if you want to fix Instagram music not showing all songs, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application and make sure that you've updated your application. If you've not updated, then you might find this kind of problems. So once you've updated the application, you just need to simply go with your story, which is on the top left, and then select something that you would like to add to your story. Now, if you want to add music, you need to just go with music icon, which is on the top right. Now search for a song. Now once you search for the song, if you don't find the song that you've searched, then here is the important part. On Instagram, not every song in the world is on Instagram Music Library. But if songs are missing, like if many songs are missing, then it's likely due to your account settings. So here, to fix that, you can simply exit the story. Once you're on the main page, the feed page, you just need to simply go with the profile icon, which will be on the bottom right, which is right here, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right corner. And now once you're here on the settings and activities or the settings and privacy section, you just need to simply scroll down and tap on creator tools and controls. And you need to switch the account type to a professional account. So just scroll down, go with account type and tools, and here you will have an option of switch to professional account. You need to switch your account to a professional account. Tap on it and then go with next, which will be on the bottom. Follow the process. And once you switch your account to a professional account, then it will fix your Instagram music not showing all songs. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.